Have you ever wondered why some wounds heal faster than others? Or how your body manages to repair itself after an injury or surgery? The answer lies in our DNA health. You see, our DNA health plays a pivotal role in wound healing and tissue regeneration. It's the basic science behind how our bodies repair and renew. Our tissues, in their quest to regenerate, need to manufacture DNA and RNA to foster the process of creating new cells. It's like building a house. Your raw materials are your nucleic acid bases, and the blueprint is your DNA. If the supplies of these bases are sufficient, our tissues can express their full capacity for regeneration and self-repair. So just as a well-stocked construction site results in a sturdy, well-built house, a body with a healthy DNA results in quicker and more efficient wound healing and tissue regeneration processes. In essence, the healthier your DNA, the quicker and more efficient your body's wound healing and tissue regeneration processes. Now that we understand the role of DNA health in wound healing, the question becomes, how can we improve our DNA health to promote faster recovery from injuries and surgeries? One key strategy is through the use of supplemental nucleic acids. This is where Immuregen liquid comes into play. This all-natural product has been developed in Europe over the span of 5 decades, and it's designed to enhance DNA health, ultimately promoting faster wound healing and tissue regeneration. Backed by science, it's proven effective and safe, with a high bioavailability, which means it's easily absorbed by your body, and its effects are immediately felt. And the good news? It's globally distributed by Forever Healthy Products, ensuring high standard quality and safety to all, no matter your race, gender, or age. By supplementing with Immuregen liquid, you're providing your body with the resources it needs to repair and renew itself efficiently. In conclusion, DNA health is a key player in wound healing and tissue regeneration. We've journeyed together through the science of DNA and its critical role in repairing our bodies. We've discovered how supplemental nucleic acids can accelerate healing, strengthen our skin, and minimize scarring. Moreover, we've learned that the availability of nucleic acid bases can greatly impact our body's capacity for regeneration and self-repair. We've also introduced you to Immuregen liquid, a natural product developed in Europe over the past 5 decades. Its scientifically proven effectiveness, safety, and high bioavailability make it a powerful ally in enhancing DNA health and supporting tissue repair and renewal. Distributed globally by Forever Healthy Products, Immuregen liquid is a testament to the power of science in improving our health and well-being. For a healthier DNA and a faster healing process, consider giving Immuregen liquid a try. Check the link below to get direct access to this product. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health insights. Remember, your DNA health is your healing power.
Are you often feeling sick? Does it seem like you catch every cold that comes around? You're not alone. Every day, millions of people suffer from poor health, easily falling ill due to weak immunity and hereditary disease, which your DNA being damaged. The cause: an imbalanced body lacking essential nutrients. Introducing Immuregen liquid. Immuregen is a revolutionary new way to help repair damaged DNA. It works by repairing the chemical bonds that keep our DNA together and helping to restore cellular health. A complex of dietary nucleotides that helps restore the balance of essential nutrients in your body, supporting immunity and overall health. Immuregen liquid is a natural health booster with no side effects. It is made with natural ingredients, oligonucleotides, proteins, 20 amino acids, and minerals that help you stay healthy and strong. Say goodbye to poor health and weak immunity with Immuregen liquid. Start feeling healthier and stronger at the DNA level today.